When it's time to use EasyTech in your classroom, it's easy to take the curriculum you want to use and deliver it online to your students. When you're done with this tutorial, your students will be able to log in and see a clean, simple student interface and use the interactive curriculum you set up for them. Interactive items will track student performance and generate an easy-to-use online gradebook. Start from your teacher homepage. Let's create a new class by clicking on My Classes, and then the Add a New Class button. A class can be a single section or a grouping of students based on interest or skill level. Set a name for the class here, then click Add to save your class. Now that you've created a class, let's add some curriculum by clicking the Assign Curriculum button. I go over how to get information on and preview curriculum in the Exploring Curriculum tutorial available on your help page, so I won't go over the options available here. For now, I'll go into a unit I know I want to use. You can preview an item and see its details by clicking its name, and then clicking View to preview it, or Assign to assign it. To return to the unit details, click the unit name in the path. From the unit view, you can assign any item in the unit by clicking on the Assign button. To assign all the items in this unit, simply click Assign Unit. The items here in the sidebar on the left will display in the same order for you and your students. If I want to remove anything or change the order, I can click Edit. You can then change the order by clicking the up and down arrows, or click the X to remove an object from the class. Click Done to save the changes from your class. Okay, we've got our curriculum in an order that we like. Let's give our students access. To track individual student performance, each student needs their own account. Click the Student tab in the left-hand toolbar. Then click Enroll Students towards the bottom. If your school or district is already using Learning.com, your student accounts will already be available here. For now, let's create some student accounts manually. Click Add a New Student. Type in the student's information along with a username and password. I'll show you how to print out this information for the student in just a minute. When you're done, click Save. My student accounts are ready. Now I just need to add them to my class. Click Enroll by each student you want in this class. Your students are ready to go. Just like you, they'll log in at www.learning.com. To make sure every student has the easiest possible time logging in, print out their login information ahead of time. Click the class name at the left to take a look at your gradebook. Then click Print Login Cards. Each student login card includes the student's username and password, and your school district. Let's take a look at a class that students have worked in for a few weeks. Click My Classes to see a list of your classes. Then click the name of the class in the toolbar on the left to access the class gradebook. Once your students have completed assignments, their scores will show up in the class gradebook. Every interactive item is scored automatically. You can grade in-class assignments with just a click. For journal items, you'll see a notice right when you log in that students have assignments ready for grading. You can use the gradebook to review. Students will see your grades and any comments the next time they log in. Thanks for taking the time to explore Learning.com's tools for teachers. To learn more, click right here.